Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a scheduling widget on a page in Hubspot. First, head over to Content and select the page where you want to add the widget. I have my page ready and I want to embed a scheduling page here. Before embedding, make sure you have created a scheduling widget. If you don't have one yet, go to your HubSpot dashboard, then navigate to Sales. If you can't find the scheduling option, use the search bar and look for Scheduling, then click on Meetings. Once inside, click Copy Link. You also have the option to embed. Click Actions, then Embed, and copy the code provided. Next, go back to your page. Click the plus icon to add a module, then search for Embed or HTML. Drag it onto your page and paste the code you copied. You can also link it to a button. You can customize the button further by adjusting padding, spacing, background color, image, or gradient, and even hide it on certain breakpoints. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a scheduling widget in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.